5 Bootstrap admin template you will fall in love with. First one in our list is SoftUI Dashboard. SoftUI Dashboard is an innovative dashboard made by creative team, made of hundreds of elements, design blocks and fully coded pages. It's ready to help you to create stunning website and web applications. Number 2 in our list is Vault. Vault is a free and open source Bootstrap 5 admin template featuring more than 100 components, including 11 example pages, 3 plugins with Vanilla.js, and it's built using the latest version of Bootstrap 5 because the jQuery is no longer required as a dependency. Vault has been built only using Vanilla.js. I create videos regularly about web development. Please consider to subscribing if you are interested. Third one in our list is AdminKit. AdminKit is a professional admin template based on Bootstrap that's come with hundreds of UI components, forms, tables, charts, pages and many more. AdminKit helps you to create your next Bootstrap even faster than before. It can use to create a SaaS-based interface, administrator dashboard or anything you want to build on the web. AdminKit help your team to moving faster and saving development cost. Fourth one in our list is Argon Dashboard. Argon Dashboard is built with over 100 individual components, giving you the freedom of choosing and combining. All components can take variations in color that can easily modify using SAS files. You will save a lot of time going from prototyping to fully functional code because all the elements are implemented. I used this template while creating my Leadman application. This dashboard is coming with pre-built example, so the development process is seamless. Switching from our pages to a real website is very easy to be done. I love to know which admin template you like the most. Let me know in the comments. Finally, Tabular. Tabular is my personal favorite admin dashboard template. Fully responsive and compatible with all the modern browsers. Tabular comes with hundreds of UI components, forms, tables, charts, pages and icons and more. Thanks to its modern, user-friendly design that you can create fully functional interface that your users will love. You can choose the layout and components you need, and you can customize them and make your design eye-catching. Thanks for watching this video and we'll see you in the next one. Please make sure to give a like in this video if you find this useful. We'll see you in the next one.